Hey there, it's Safa and you're watching All About Tech. In today's video, I will be showing you that how to customize Windows 10 and gives it a minimal look. So let's get started. First open this link in your browser. The link is given in the description below. Then download Rainmeter and install it. Then just download all the Rainmeter packs one by one. All these links are given in the description. Check it out. Then download this wallpaper and set it at desktop background. Then just unload all the skins one by one. Then open Rainmeter. Then just click on Elegance and click on Clock. Then choose the clock size according to your choice. Then just remove the tick from the box given beside draggable and give a tick in the box given beside click through. Do the same thing after applying all the skins. Then after loading the visible skin, play a song to see the wave. Then just drag it to center. Add and remove the tick like before. In case the circle size is too big, then just right click on it and open settings and change the radius and wide radius to 140. After that the circle will be size small. Then open honeycomb and just load the skins that you want. After that change the settings like before. The final result will blow your mind. So that's it for today's video. If you like it useful, then press the like button. Also comment down below if you have any queries, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for getting more tech videos.